A nutritious morning breakfast can be made by combining fresh berries with creamy Greek yogurt. Wash and remove stems or leaves from berries, and choose fresh or frozen options. Add Greek yogurt to the bowl or glass, which is rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics. Gently place mixed berries on top of the yogurt, adding antioxidants and vitamins. For extra sweetness, drizzle honey or sprinkle granola on top. Add chia seeds, flax seeds, or nuts for healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids. This versatile breakfast can be enjoyed alone or paired with whole grain toast or scrambled eggs for a substantial meal. It provides a balanced combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats to keep you energized throughout the day.